Okay, so I did problem 6 in set B. So given that P is a point interior to the rectangle ABCD and such that PA is equal to 2 inches, PD is equal to 6 inches, and PC equals 9 inches, find the length of PB. So we're trying to find this length right here, and I labeled it A. So since we don't know any of the angles of the triangles, I'm going to add a bunch of line segments so that we can create some right triangles. So I'm going to add one right here, and I'm going to call it X, so that this length here is Y and this length here is Z. And then I'm going to add a line here, so that this is also X and this is also Z. And then this I'm going to label C. And since this is Z, and I'm going to add a line here, this is also going to be Z, and this is also going to be Y. I'm going to add a line here, so that this will also be Y, and this will also be C, and this will be X. So then I can come up with equations using the Pythagorean theorem. So we can get x squared plus y squared is equal to 36. X squared plus z squared is equal to 4. Y squared plus c squared is equal to 81. And z squared plus c squared is equal to a squared. So overall, we're trying to find a. So we can substitute our equations into into z squared and c squared. So we can solve this equation here for z squared. So we'll end up with 4 minus x squared is equal to z. And then we'll end up, so we can solve this equation, c squared for, we'll solve this equation for c squared and we'll get 81 minus y squared. But then we can solve this equation for y squared, so that way we'll have it in terms of x, and we'll end up with 45 plus x squared, and then we'll just bring down the a squared. And once you simplify that, you'll end up with a squared is equal to 49, so that way you'll end up with a is equal to 7.